Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something that a lot of us might need at some point. How to unrestrict someone on Messenger, whether you've changed your mind or accidentally restricted someone. I'm here to help you fix that right away. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed on your device. This ensures you have all the latest features and security updates. Step 1. Open your Messenger app. It's the blue chat bubble icon with the white lightning bolt inside it. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen or the three horizontal bars. This will take you to your settings and other options. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture or the settings icon. Scroll down a bit and find privacy and safety. Tap on it. In the privacy menu, you will see an option that says restricted accounts. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you'll see a list of all the people you've restricted. Find the person you want to unrestrict and tap on the name. After you've opened the chat, you can see the unrestrict button. Simply tap on it. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Once you've unrestricted someone, they will be able to see when you're active and all your messages will go directly to your inbox without being filtered. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more straightforward tech tutorials.